In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create how-to videos with HeyGen. If you've been looking for a fast, polished way to explain a process or demonstrate a workflow without setting up cameras and lights, this is a great option. We'll go from opening HeyGen to getting a rendered video, keeping everything clear and simple along the way. Start by heading to the HeyGen homepage in your browser. Once you're in, you'll land on the main workspace. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the avatar section. That's where you'll build videos that are driven by a talking presenter, perfect for tutorials and step-by-step explainers. Open the avatar area and choose New Video. This creates a fresh project so you're working on a clean canvas. You'll see a place to provide the words your on-screen presenter will speak. Go ahead and type your script directly into the script field. Write it the way you would say it out loud. Short sentences, clear phrasing, and natural transitions. If a point needs emphasis, use punctuation to guide the pacing. Commas add brief pauses, while periods create firmer stops. Keep each idea focused and avoid cramming too much into one line. If you mention buttons or labels, say them exactly as they appear on screen so viewers can follow along. A quick tip, read your script once under your breath. If it feels awkward to say, tweak it until it sounds natural and conversational. With your words in place, choose an avatar to deliver them. Browse the options and pick a style that matches your brand and audience, professional, friendly, or casual. You can adjust the look so it feels on message, including details like wardrobe, angle, or background if those options are available for the avatar you select. Think about contrast and readability. A clean background helps viewers focus on what's being said. Also consider the tone of voice you want, warm and approachable for onboarding, crisp and direct for technical guides. The goal is to support your message without distracting from it. When you're happy with both the script and avatar, submit your video. Click the Enter or Submit control to start the generation process. Rendering can take a little while, so be patient and avoid refreshing the page. A stable internet connection helps here. Once the processing finishes, your video will be ready to play. Give it a careful watch from start to finish to confirm the pacing, pronunciation, and visuals align with your intent. And that's it. Your how-to video is created with HeyGen, ready to inform and engage your audience.